Hello everyone and welcome to the Pre-Calculus course. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the concept of a function. But before learning such a concept, we need to talk about a few other concepts for which the concept of a function depends on. Let us start with the concept of a set. We say informally that a set is a collection of elements. For example, the set A made of all of the apples in the fridge, the set B made of all members in your family, the set C made of all natural numbers, and the set D made of the numbers 0, 1, the transcendental number E, pi, and the imaginary number I. Something that we can notice from set A is that if you don't have any apple in your fridge, then that set is empty. And we denote such a set in the following way, and we call it the empty set. Another important concept is the concept of a relation. We say that a relation is a representation of the relationship between two sets. A relation tells the reader the output if a specific input is given, and we denote every relation in the following way. For example, let us consider the relation R between sets A and B, where R determines which apple belongs to a member of B. We use something called Venn diagrams in order to see this better. We can notice that R of 1 is equal to A, R of 2 is equal to B, and R of 3 is equal to B. We interpret the previous relation in the following way. Apple 1 belongs to person A, and apple 2 and 3 belong to person B. Another relation could be the relation R between sets C and D, for which each even number is assigned to pi and each odd number is assigned to E. Now we can define what a function is. A function f is a relation between two sets x and y, for which each element x in x, there's an element y in y, such that f of x is equal y. In other words, if f is a function between two sets x and y, then each element in x is uniquely associated to an element in y. Let us consider the following example. Let x be the set of all people, y the set of all city, and f be person x has lived in city y. Now, f is not a function because if x has lived both in Caracas and New York, then f of x is equal Caracas, and f of x is also equal New York. So x is not uniquely associated to only one element in y. Therefore, f is not a function. Let x be the set of hours in the month, y the set of money, and f be the relation between x and y such that f of x is equal to $5x. Then f is a function because for each element x in x, there's a unique payment determined by $5x. For example, if I take x equal 40, then f of x is equal to 5 times $40, which is equal to $200. And there's no other way I can get a different output using the same value of x. Well guys, that's all for today. I'm really grateful that you finished the entire video. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice by doing the following problems. Determine if the given relation is or not a function. And well guys, see you in the next lesson.